Once you get your WBNC certification, the thing that you want to do is, of course, like I've said many different times, make sure you know what your renewal date is going to be. Next, what you can do is make sure that you have the brand guidelines on here and download your logos, make sure they're on your website and LinkedIn, everywhere social media could go. And then next, what you're going to do is you are going to perhaps reach out to other people that in your network. There are a couple of different ways for the WBNC. Of course, number one is to make sure that you've taken the orientation class. If you haven't, please reach out to your prospective agency where you got certified. In the WBNC, you can say take a training class and you'll be able to see a bunch of different classes that are available and how many spaces are open. They have contract compliance reporting, they have different groups that are available, but it's also good for you to go to the main website and actually respond to the emails that they sent out, because they do send out some newsletters. When you are trying to search for vendors and to communicate with them, all you need to do is go to search. When you're at the home, just go to search and then members. And you can see all these different companies where you can coordinate with. Let's say that I really wanted to work with Airbnb or Alabama Power and Company or AARP. So basically what you would do is just click on AARP, and here is the contact information for supplier diversity. You know it's going to be Kimberly Marcus, and you would send this an email, and we have a blank template letter that is available inside of the portal so that you can know how to do that. Then there is the AEG Worldwide. Now this is Christino Tolfo, and you can write to her directly. You can give her a call, and here is the company, but make sure you're doing a lot more research on the company. And that is how you go ahead and find direct contacts. But again, please make sure you attend the orientation so that the different certifying agency can show you how to use their database.